Oh, hi. What's up, my friend? This is your boy, Colson Havens, and you came to get your brain food, baby. If this is the first time on my page, subscribe, okay? But we're gonna dive into what are the best niches for affiliate marketing, okay? If you're on this video, you're trying to earn money online, just like all the other videos, and we're about to do it, my friend. I'm gonna give you the 4 hottest niches. So these niches are the niches that people spend the most money in every single year, and those are the niches that you want to be in, my friend, because if people are spending money in there, you just need to get on the other side and start receiving some money. Wouldn't it be nice to start receiving some more money in your life? I know for me, I can never have enough, okay? There's always more things I want to do, more things I'm trying to do, okay? But this is where we're going to get into these and why they're important, okay? But a lot of these are going to be common sense in a way. We just didn't, when we get online, we kind of stop thinking very common sensey and start, we just start expecting things to happen. But anyways, so here's the first thing. I got my notes right here. All right, but the first niche is health, wellness, and fitness, okay? So just like myself, okay, I'm always trying to be working on my BB guns, okay? I got this belly. I used to be a college athlete, okay? I wrestled from high school all the way through college. I hold school records and everything. I was very, very, very fit growing up, okay? I'm not nearly as fit anymore, and I can find myself looking for ways to lose weight kind of fast. I'm like, dang, what's the easiest way to lose weight? Oh, you got a $60 program? If I spend the money here, you feel good on yourself. You got a new program, you're working. A lot of this is mainly gym memberships. People are like, oh yeah, I got a gym membership the other day. I'm working on my health. Okay, all right. So people spend a lot of money in this industry because we know what we are like. We know that we need to take care of our bodies. Okay. And so it's just a place where people can do products. If you know what fitness is, you can even do YouTube videos about certain exercises. If you got yoga, you could do all of your workouts and just videotape them and start posting them on Facebook. As long as you have a sales funnel, email autoresponder set up, you can start capturing emails, creating a list, and start earning sales online, okay? Wealth, health, and fitness. Okay, huge niche. All right, get some people to work on their BB guns. Look, it looks way better from this side. Can you see the little bimp? Okay, the next one, dating and relationships. Do you want a better relationship with your family? Do you want a better relationship with your spouse? What about a better relationship with your coworkers or business partner? Do you want a better one of those? Of course you do. We all want better relationships. And relationships take time, effort, and energy. Okay? This is one of the second hottest niches. Okay? A lot of people are paying money. Match.com, you got Tinder, you got Bubble, you got all these different websites and apps that are getting people together and linked up. Okay? People spend lots of money to get dating advice, relationships. People are making a living by teaching people how to hit on girls. You can make a living by teaching people how to hit on girls or guys. How crazy is that? If you're a girl, I'm sure it's way easier. Sure, it's way easier, unless you're ugly, and then you got to work like a guy. Okay? All right, but the next one, okay? Well, I'm not a huge. I think I have a beautiful relationship. I'm with one of I'm in one of the healthiest relationships I've ever been in my entire life with someone that I only feel lucky that I have her in my life, okay? And honestly, it's from doing all of these different online trainings and skills and developing my inner self and myself to becoming a better, more quality person. I just attracted her into my life, and now I'm lucky, okay? So the next one is money and wealth. This one I talk about a lot because it's something that in my family was just shunned. So money was the root of all evil. We didn't talk about money when I was growing up. Money was not discussed at the dinner table. Even to this day, people are always like, Colton, why are you always talking about money? Because it's important and we don't have any. Okay? We don't have any because we don't talk about it. It's like Baltimore. You say money in my house and people, like, I don't have money. At least it's not nearly as bad anymore. not nearly as bad anymore, but I grew up with a family of 6 kids. My mom and my dad split when I was young. My mom raised 4 of us on our own, going to full-time nursing school and working 2 jobs. Okay, so money, we had everything we needed in life, but we didn't have any extra. Okay, we didn't have any sprinkles on the donut, but we had the donut. Okay, which I have no complaints for that. But look, I want some fucking sprinkles. Okay, I want some sprinkles, or maybe instead of a plain donut, I want a maple donut today. Okay, I want options, and that's what money can give you. So money, wealth, health. I mean, how many times have you asked yourself, I need to learn how to make more money? You wouldn't be on this video if that wasn't true. Okay, I need to learn more about investing. I need to get into real estate. You know, the best real estate thing is Airbnb right now. I'm making a few extra $100 a month renting out my brother's place. Okay, so these are the 4 hottest niches. Pick one of them and then dive deeper. The next video I have is going to go into this a little bit more in depth. You guys can catch more brain food videos. I go deeper and deeper into it. This one's kind of short. I'm just going to give you the meat and potatoes. So you pick one of those 4, and then you're going to have to pick a niche from inside that niche and get even more focused. Okay, you're gonna put that scope on. Okay, we're gonna do some Jason Bourne sniping. We're not gonna do this Arnold Schwarzenegger machine gun. We're gonna get more results with less effort. Okay, that's what picking your niche is gonna do for you. Okay, down here below, go get your more videos. If you want to start a full online business blueprint that I have, you got a 15-day challenge. You team up with me, go to coltonhavens.com/welcome, join the team, join the program. Go through these 15-day steps with intention and purpose. At the end, you'll have an entire business ready to launch, so you can start casting out and start bringing in some sales. Okay, you want to have that, yeah, if you want that, make sure you start. Go get those free books and learn more, because if you don't have what you want in life, it means you don't know something yet. I got some free books down there that'll probably round out some edges and make it nice and round. Okay, pick up a book, because just like you gotta bathe and just like you gotta eat, you gotta get your brain food every day. What problems are you struggling with in your business? Comment them down below so I can make a video specifically to help you earn more money. I love y'all. Peace.